green beans. He has long toes. I remember other Megan or Patrick or something. I mean, they were the littlest toes.
Oh, my stomach's growling.
What you doing? What's Laura doing to you?
Who is that?
She's not even answering when I said, hey, what is Laura doing to you? What is Laura doing to you? What is Laura doing to you?
Patrick said there was a little
Oh,
thing on that thing.
Say, who is
All I
that?
had to do is check
Laura
wires.
doing to you?
And where was this?
I love you.
Wonder what he's thinking.
Fingers.
He's thinking there sure are a lot of people who are different.
I love you, little pretty fingers.
Hey, Nancy, would you go pull that drape a little bit, please?
That flaps the other night out here in the message.
Yeah, when I left you.
Yeah, good. Good, good, thank you.
Did it rain over
Yeah,
here
it's
this
sprinkling.
morning about
Oh.
9 o'clock?
Rain. We had a storm.
It's spraying.
Well, you know, I think it passed us by. I had just walked in out of Kroger into Verizon. Holy smokes, the sky was black as night.
Sit down.
Oh, we had a
It
huge
was this morning when we were at
storm.
Evelyn's.
Oh,
Huge
It was
storm.
black, straight out of her window.
He just said, hush.
Hey, buddy. Hey, bud. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy.
You can't hear yourself think.
What?
You had to be.
This is gonna be a whole different ballgame once he starts walking.
Thing.
Life will change.
He thinks mom's cool.
Whoops.
Does he not crawl?
He scooches and crawls. He's just enamored with standing up today.
Why should I got all these ladies to hold me up?
Now your pizza.
Want me to put him on your lap? Okay, lean back. I'll put him on your lap.
I think I'll come back here real quick.
Sit on my great-grandmother's lap. Sit on. It gets too heavy, you tell me, okay?
Mom, he's heavy. Well, hi, Noah.
bud.
Hi. Hi, sweetie.
Hair. Don't you love grandmother?
I need my trolley.
Yeah, I see you smiling.